So now come to question number 7. Exercise 2, phase 1, mathematics, straight line. P is given, Q is given, R is given. 3 points are given. Then the locus of the point S satisfying the relation SQ square, this means distance h plus SR square is equal to 2SP square. Surely simple problem, just distance formula you have to use, you will get the answer. So SQ square, S is where locus of the point. So I have to find locus of the point. So let S, you can take XY. Let locus of the point S, SQ square, Q is this. This is the Q. So SQ square will be how much? SQ square plus SR square is equal to 2SP square. So SQ square X plus 1 square plus Y square plus SR square X minus 2 square plus Y square is equal to 2 times of SP square XP square X minus 1 square plus Y square. So Y square will cancel. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus Y square plus X square minus 4x plus 4 plus Y square is equal to 2x square minus 4x plus 2y square. So 2x square, 2y square will cancel. Y square, X square, all these terms will get cancelled. So whatever left, this 4x will cancel this 4x also. So 2x plus 1, 5 is equal to that 2 is left. So 2x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3y2. X is equal to minus 3y2 will be a line like this. This is minus 1, this is minus 2. So minus 3y2. X is equal to minus 3y2. This will be a straight line parallel to y axis. So this answer will be correct. So thank you.